Alright, let's dive into something that's been buzzing in my brain lately, and I'm sure it's on yours too. What happens when you pit a human writer against an AI like ChatGPT in a creative showdown? Sounds like the setup for a dystopian sitcom, right? But this isn't fiction. It's happening right now. And I've got some thoughts. Big ones. Here's the deal. Every writer I know is either terrified or pretending not to be about AI taking over their craft. And let's be real, most of us are secretly using it, even if we claim we're not. So, I decided to do the unthinkable. I challenged ChatGPT to a writing duel. Not just any writing, though. Creative writing. The kind that's supposed to be uniquely human. Spoiler alert, it got messy. First up, we played with words. Inventing new terms for everyday things. I came up with stinkchizzle for a cheese grater, and honestly, I'm kind of proud of that. ChatGPT, it gave me scritchagrator. Personally, I think that's a miss. It's too literal, too safe. What makes this really interesting is how AI struggles with the kind of whimsy that feels effortless to humans. It's like it's trying to follow a rulebook for creativity, but it doesn't quite get the soul of it. But here's where it gets wild. When we moved to more complex writing, things shifted. I fed ChatGPT a ton of my own work. Yes, I basically handed it my writing DNA, and it started mimicking me, like eerily well. I asked it, "How are you?" And it replied, "Running on tea and curiosity." Mildly chaotic, but mostly cheerful, like a fox rifling through the recycling. And let me tell you, that hit hard. Sounded like me, not just in style, but in that weird, off-kilter humor I didn't even realize I had. What this really suggests is that AI isn't just copying. It's learning to emulate the human voice. And that's both fascinating and unsettling. We took it further with a writing prompt about the word heart. I wrote a scene about two women in a retail store, a moment of awkward tension and unspoken feelings. It was specific, it was human. ChatGPT, it wrote about a trip to a florist, full of metaphors and clever lines. Honestly, it was good. Maybe even better, technically. But here's the thing, it felt hollow. In my opinion, what AI lacks, and what it may never truly grasp, is the lived experience behind the words. My piece had weight because it came from somewhere real. ChatGPT's piece? It was like a beautifully crafted shell with nothing inside. This raises a deeper question. Can AI ever truly replace writers? From my perspective, the answer is no, but with a massive asterisk. AI can write well. It can even write in a way that mimics human emotion. But writing isn't just about stringing words together. It's about perspective, about the messy, unpredictable human experience. AI can't feel panic, or love, or the frustration of folding cardigans all day. It can only simulate those things. And that's the difference. What many people don't realize is that this isn't just about jobs. It's about what we value as a society. If AI can write a novel, a poem, or a script that's indistinguishable from human work, what does that say about us? Are we just algorithms waiting to be replicated? Personally, I think the answer is no. Writing is embodied thought. It's the sum of our joys, our pains, our quirks. And that's something AI can't replicate, not really. So, where does this leave us? Well, I'm not crawling into an Indonesian tin mine just yet. But I am thinking about how we redefine creativity in an AI-driven world. Maybe the future isn't about competing with machines, but about collaborating with them. Or maybe it's about doubling down on what makes us uniquely human. Either way, one thing's for sure. This conversation is just getting started. And I, for one, can't wait to see where it goes. What do you think? Could AI ever truly replace human writers? Or is there something about our craft that's irreplaceable? Let me know in the comments. I'm genuinely curious to hear your thoughts.